Alright, so May's version of the horizontal pull-push lunge. So just got a band integrated pull with the lunge pattern. So we've just got the band here. You can have it over once, you can make it harder by doubling it up, but you're really looking for a nice weight shift with the lunge. So you've got the opposite leg forward that you're pulling with. So I've got my right leg forward, my left hand is loaded. I'm lunging down into this position. I'm going to drive out of the front leg. Legs, hips, core, and then into the arm, weight shift away. So I'm using that hip to really drive it, and then feeling that going from the bigger muscles in the legs through the hips, into the core and into the arm. So I'll do balance those reps each side. You can obviously vary it up a little bit with the height. You can go lower. I like the lower position because it gets a bit more glute, but you can go a bit higher and make the band heavier, get a heavier band, or double it over like that. The push with it is just a ring push. So in here, easy version on the toes, good for the higher rep versions or to warm up. Coming down to the knees. Going to the toes. And then keeping an overhand grip, just to mix it up rather than the turnout, is a little bit easier. You can have the toes turned over. It is harder to do the planche versions with it like that. So once you get into the heavier reps, if you want more load, you're going to be able to wrap around either parallel or underhand and get those shoulders through and forward to increase the loading in the upper body for that version. But yeah, 30 seconds a side there, 30 each side, and then you've got 30 seconds on the push-up, 30-second rest, 4 rounds of that, easy 8 minutes.